All right. In this video, we are going to simplify before we solve. All right, so that means we have to distribute, then combine like terms as needed. All right, so for example, 12 times the quantity r plus 3 equals 2 times the quantity r plus 3 minus 3r. All right, so first thing we do, we distribute. So that means here and here. So 12 times r is 12r. 12 times 3 is 36. 2 times r is 2r. 2 times 3 is 6. And then we combine like terms on each side. So we have, let's see, on this side there's no like terms, so we can leave this side alone. This side here we can combine those, so that gives me a negative r plus 6. Now since I'm done with combining like terms, now I'm going to start solving for r. So the first thing I want to do is I want to get all the r's onto the same side. This is a positive and this is a negative, so therefore I'm going to take this one over to here. So I like to work with positive values. So I'm going to add r to both sides, so that gives me 13r plus 36 equals 6. All right, so all the r's are one side because there's nothing over here for r's. So now I'm going to get this term by itself. So that means I got to subtract. Remember, you always got to do addition and subtraction first, and then your last step will either be a multiplication or division. So I get 13r is equal to negative 30. All right, last step, divide by 13. So r is equal to negative 30 over 13. Remember, no decimals. Keep it all as fractions. And you notice here, this cannot be reduced, so therefore we are done. All right, let's look at one more example. Let's look at 10 times the quantity w minus 4 equals 4 times the quantity w plus 4 plus 4w. Distribute, so I get 10w minus 40, 4w plus 16, and I have the 4w. All right, here I cannot combine any like terms. There isn't any, so I just leave that side alone. This side I have these two, so that gives me 8w. Now I want to get the variables on the same side. Now they're both positive, so now remember, I like to keep my variables positive, so that means I'm going to subtract this one from both sides because then I get a positive answer. If I subtracted 10 both sides, over here I would get a negative value. I don't want that. I mean, you can use that, that's fine, but I don't like using it. So I get 2w minus 40 equals 16. Isolate that, so I have to add 40 to both sides. And then last step, divide both sides by 2. And therefore I get w is equal to what, 28? All right.